Let me show you how to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. Now, if you have an iPhone or an Android and it's not loading up and not working for games, etc., I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that you're going to do if you have Roblox open is just to close out of the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or computer, and basically close out of everything else. Let's check to make sure there's not an issue with Roblox being down. So just open up a Safari or Google Chrome web browser, and we're just going to type in, is Roblox down? There it is, midway down. So we're going to go to Down Detector here. This is a big, basically, website where people can report outages, including outages from Roblox. So if there is a big spike in reported outages, then you know basically it's because the Roblox servers are down and you just need to wait till they're back up and running. But let's say that's not the issue. The next thing that I would recommend doing is just heading into the settings on your iPhone, Android, and let's check to see if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network that gets good and fast internet. You can see this is my Wi-Fi network. If you don't have a good Wi-Fi network, you're just going to go to fast.com and see if you have fast internet. Again, it needs internet to be able to load. You can see mine is like 300 megabytes per second. Yours needs to be, let's say, about 10 megabytes per second for it to run smoothly. If all of those are good, let's just go back to your settings app on your iPhone or Android, and we're going to go through the process of force updating that app. So we can go to the iPhone storage, or if you're on Android, just find that Roblox app. And essentially what we're going to do is offload the app and then reinstall the app. By going through this process, it forces updates it to the latest version, but most importantly, it deletes the cache and the temporary files on that app and it reinstalls it. After it does that, you'll be able to open it up and get a fresh new copy of Roblox, and it should be working at that point.